All right, let's see this thing you made.
All right, fire it up.
It's going.
Okay, so I've been fighting this car in some of the compound.
Hey, let's start over. My thing wasn't centered. It was like looking at your torso. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so I've been fighting this car. Some of the compound curves are kind of difficult to do the body work around. I'm no pro, so I have to kind of figure out these tricks and stuff on my own. One of the areas that's really been killing me has been right up here, these fender flares. And this fender was smacked right here and all dented in and oil canned, so I had to shrink some metal, and it kind of gave me some warbly action in this area. So after going back and forth to the parts store looking for the right type of sanding block, I couldn't find anything. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, those guys didn't have anything. Hardware store was a bust. So I came back home and I took a piece of Conduit and a toolbox drawer liner, little foam piece, and I wrapped it around, made the right diameter that I wanted. It's nice and firm but still kind of squishy. Then I've got this self-adhesive sanding paper, and it doesn't stick completely, but it gives you enough of a grip. And then when you go to start sanding on these things, you can kind of hold the edges, and it gives it a nice firm supportive back, and you can just kind of roll and then twist the other direction to get your crosshatch.
Got to make sure those rings seal.
But it gives it a really nice even fade into that's what I had to do throughout this whole area. And so feeling this, it's smooth as butter. There's no jaggedy transitions between the flat part of the fender and the transition for the curve in either direction. And that is basically the trick that finally let me get this finished.
Cool, Jake. Thanks for the tip.
You bet.